Hi there, what's happening, boys and girls? We have here a binary in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, August the 30th, 2022, almost end of the month. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left for today. The tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cypher block with 4 stars, and it's now binary time. Binary puzzle number 5097. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 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 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here first O, the second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Of course, we have a double O here. So here 1, there 1. Okay. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4, we have here double O. Let me put here 1 and there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Alright. Let me see. Between two O's comes in 1. Well. And now. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay. Between two ones comes an O. 3 O's, 3 O's, 3 O's, 3 O's. Yeah. Here also 3 O's, 3 O's. Well, I think it's time for comparing. Yeah, comparing. We have here 2 completed columns and 1 completed row. Well, I think this row and that row we can compare. 1 1 1 1 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. And now we need to compare again. Yeah. 3, and 3. Yes. Here also 3. Here also 3. Alright. The question is, compare the rows or compare the columns? Well, let me see. 010. Do we have 010 here? 010. No. 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. I think we need to compare the columns. Double 01 here. Here. Okay. This column and that column. 1 empty box, empty box. 1 1 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. But now, 1 2 3. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2. I need to compare again. So 101. Do we have 101 here? No. Maybe the no 101. 101, no, the 010. No, strange. Double, yeah. This column and that column. The 1 1 1 1, the O. Empty box, the 1 1 O. So we need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. So 1 2 3 4 1. So that's the O's. 4 O's we have here, so that's the 1s. Finished in 6 minutes. Well. Like this one, need to compare. If you like these two, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.